Lovelies, happy new year. Welcome back to another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Hope you find a reason to stay. In today's video, I'm just sharing a couple of things that I picked up from Micahel. I purchased my items from theiconic.com. It's a website similar to ASOS. They really do have some good sales on some designer items and other items as well. So first off, I picked up a beautiful bag from the sale. It is my first time unboxing these items, so it is a true unboxing. It just comes wrapped up like this. There's a few flaps to take off. I'm just going to take these off camera, but this is how it comes packaged up. Okay, so here she is. This is the Greenwich medium shoulder bag, and this is in the color pale gold, and it is in the baguette style. Absolutely love it. It is made out of 100% genuine Saffiano leather, and it's got this detachable top handle strap as well, which I absolutely love. The bag has the standard Micahel logo, and it's got a top flap closure, and it's got this turn lock fastening as well. So you just twist it facing that way, and then it's good to open. It's got both external and internal sleeve pockets as well, and then the inside is just this suede lining. It's got quite a bit of room in it, and I absolutely love that it has this compartment for your cards. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's over there. So there's 1, 2, 3, I think it's 3 or 4 cards in there, and then at the back there's another sleeve pocket as well. And then when you open up the flap closure, there's another sleeve pocket as well. So it is quite spacious and very roomy. I absolutely love the baguette style. I think if you've watched my Coach unboxing for the Kippy Shoulder 26 bag, you can tell that I love this style of bags at the moment, and I love that it is 100% genuine leather, and I will be looking after it because of the color. It is gold, and I'm not too sure if after a while, if you rub on it, if the gold might start to fade, but hopefully it doesn't. On the sides, it's just got the little MK logo as well. Not too sure if it's visible enough. And then just on there as well. So the bag comes with this extra detachable adjustable strap. This is just another option for you to carry it if you like to carry it as a crossbody, or if you do like it a bit longer. It's just got this adjustable lock up here, and then you can switch it up multiple times, and then it's got these gold accents at the bottom. They do have the Micahel logo just on the sides on there, and then just a little MK at the top over there. And it also comes with the Micahel dust bag just for your storage and when you're traveling and stuff, which is pretty good. So as I mentioned before, I purchased my items from theiconic.com. They do have amazing sales. You just have to sign up to their website, and once in a blue moon, they send you random ridiculous discount codes. At the time that I purchased this, I think I got a discount code that allowed me to get like $105 off. So I purchased the bag for, I'm just gonna double check. I purchased it for $256.54 Australian, and it was on sale for $384.68 was the original price. So I think I did get nearly $100 off, if not more, and it had come down from $769.35. So that was a really good bargain. Do check out the website, and do sign up to websites if you don't mind, to get a ridiculous amount of notifications once in a while. So yeah, that's it with the Greenwich shoulder bag. Next up, I picked up a pair of shoes. So these are the slides that I picked up in this beautiful brown tan color with black little accents on them as well, and they've got this gold Micahel Kors branding logo, which just makes them a little bit more stunning. This was me trying to get the Amaze slides without the Amaze price tag. These are the Micahel Kors Kippy Slides in the color Luggage, and it is this beautiful brown, and then at the bottom it's just got the Micahel Kors tag as well. So these are genuine leather, 100% leather upper and the lining as well, and then that's just the sole of them. And then I picked these ones up for, I think it was 128, yes, 128.80, and originally they were 184, so I got a little bit off for these as well. I sized up for these. I picked them up in a size 9. I am a size 8. I wasn't too sure what sizing they use, but I'd rather get a slightly bigger shoe than get a small fit. I'm just gonna put them on my feet. So they are the perfect fit. I just find that they're a little bit tight over here, but it is a leather, so over time it does loosen up really well. So I'm just gonna keep trying them on and breaking them in as well. Hopefully they don't cause any blisters, but I will let you guys know if they do. I'll just drop it in the comments or something. But yeah, this is what I picked up. So that's it, lovelies. We've come to the end of the video. It was a very quick one. Just wanted to share with you guys a couple of things that I picked up from The Iconic, and just to let you guys know that there is another website called The Iconic where you can pick up some really good items. They have a plethora of brands on there, luxury brands, your everyday brands as well, and you can usually find them at a very affordable price. They have sales going on for pretty much the whole year. You just have to keep an eye out, add things to your wish list, and then get notified if you like to when the price does go down as well. So I think it's a really good website to find your affordable brands and your non-affordable brands, but at a good price as well. So yeah, do check it out if you like to do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.